Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a little project. I'm going to show you guys how to keep track of your yarn that you use, especially like yarn where you are making projects to basically sell. If you sell certain crochet items, like for example, for me, I use t-shirt yarn a lot for making my bags. So this method of keeping track of my yarn, I got the idea from this young lady named Sammy. I will put her information down in the description box. But so what I do is I take like little clippings of my yarn and I keep it, so when I get ready to do this type of yarn inventory keeping, I will have it. So what you're going to need is you're going to need tags for this project. These tags I purchased from Harvey Lobby. They were $1.49 for 25 tags. And I also purchased these metal rings. It's a two-piece, they 3-inch rings, and you get 2 of them for $1.29 from Hobby Lobby. So for this project, you're going to need your yarn clippings. You're going to need those tags. You're going to need the ring, and you'll need a pin, a stapler, and some scissors if you need to clip yarn to do this project. So I have already completed a few of these tags. And so what you're doing, you're going to staple a little clipping of your yarn to this tag. You're going to write where you purchased it, the yarn from. In this case, Temu. Then I wrote down the store, which is Star Store. I wrote the color. In this case, there are no colors. With most yarn that you purchase from Temu, they usually give you a number. So you put the number for the color. Then it came in a 2-piece, and the grams, amount of grams. So guys, right here I am just adding the yarn to the labels or the tags. And like I said, this is a really great project, and I'm so happy I came across Sammy doing this, because with purchasing yarn from Temu, you don't even get a label sometime. And like I said, the label, it may include the color number, but it doesn't include a color. So it's a really good method of keeping track of your yarn if you purchase them from Temu or any other company that may not send a label along with your yarn. Okay guys, now that I have all my tags, I still have to do some more, but I'll do it at a later date. But I have the majority of my tags, so I can start writing now. So guys, right here, I'm writing all the information. Like I said earlier in the video, you want to write down your store, where you purchase your yarn from. You want to include your color number, if it has a color number. And also you want to include your grams, how many grams you purchased before, and you know, all the information that a regular label would consist of, if you was to receive your yarn with a label attached to it when you purchase it. So now I have my tags. And I'm about to attach them to my ring. And see, I have my tags attached to the ring. And that way I can go through this anytime I need to order more t-shirt yarn. Some of them I have to go back and just find the store, but I can do that on my from where I ordered. It'll show me what store I actually ordered from. So yeah, guys, what do you think about this idea? Like I said, I got it from Sammy. I'm gonna list her information down in the description box. I was trying to find the exact video, but I couldn't find it. But this was a wonderful idea that she came up with, and I thought it would be great for me because I order from Temu and some other companies, and sometimes they don't send a label, or sometimes they send a label but it don't have a color on it, or they only give you a number for the color. So so yeah, this was a really great idea. So if you like this idea, give me a thumbs up. Go and follow Sammy on Yarn Over Hook, and yeah, do you like this idea? You know, it's a great idea. So give me a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.